All right, hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Mark, aka Cram, and my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer: we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that: we are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which you then convert into money. Okay, so if you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now, sell now, or any signals, you're straight up in the wrong stream. Okay, but if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets the right way, and of course if you're looking to trade the profitable forex strategy live, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we are going to do. Okay, also, we're not financial advisors, so any risk that you take upon yourself. Do not be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Okay, I'm going to start to share my screen with you guys now that we've gotten all of that out of the way. 80 people, welcome to Forex Trading, you guys. If it's your first stream, sit back, enjoy, get some popcorn, get some coffee, get some drinks, whatever it is that you want to get, and just have a good time, okay? All right, so I have gold sitting right over here, okay? We had the nice buys that kicked in over here, the ones that caught the smart report this morning. I hope y'all caught that because literally the 1860 area all the way from down here is where we had the buys that kicked in, and it went and beautifully kissed TP at 1874.8. Okay, so beautiful move that came in over there. Let's see what price wants to do for news. Now, I truly believe that we're gonna have a choppy session. Just letting you guys know. We do have FOMC minutes that's going to be out later tonight, and usually news releases before that end up being either choppy or erratic. Okay, so we're going to have to wait and watch, and we're going to have to see how price chooses to react. But I'm not going to be surprised if we don't really get too many trades today. Okay, and this is what I have on Nasdaq. This is what I have on the dirty. Okay, so if the dirty wants to start to drop from here, you're looking to fill that zone, I feel like we can take this area out if we do start to drop. And where should your stop loss be? It's up to you. Depends on your risk management. Okay, you could have your stop loss here. If you're a super aggressive trader, you could have your stop loss just above that zone of demand. And if you're a conservative trader, you could have your stop loss all the way, and you'll still have more than a 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, and naturally, if those buys want to kick in, look to buy into supply. Okay, stop loss somewhere in that region. That also happens to be the 33,900 zone in that area, so be careful. Okay, and same story with nasty nasty. I think we can take out all of this traffic if we have the momentum. And guys, please stop annotating on my screen. I would really appreciate that. Okay, it's almost like every session someone has to annotate, right, babe? At least once. At least once. But anyway, okay, so we're building into some 5-minute resistance here at the 60, and if we happen to break those highs, then we're looking, wow, 98 people, let's make it hit that 100 again, and we're going to be capped at 100. Okay, for now we're capped at 100. It is strategic, and we'll let more people in when the time's right. Okay, great. So 5-minute resistance coming in there. Let's see if we want to break past that. Boom, push up and try to fill that, or come back down. Gold has been in a solid uptrend. Okay, now we asked for success stories post London. We never got them. I was going to share the smart reports with you guys for free today, but listen, it's a two-way street. Okay, if you guys don't listen to what we say, um, there's only so hey 100. There you go, 100 people on the stream. What's up? Welcome to Forex Trading. We're finally here again, and listen, don't leave, because I promise you, no one else can enter this as of right now. If you want somebody else to take your spot on this live stream, make it's up to you. Then you could leave. Okay, but I was going to give you guys a chance today to experience what the smart reports can do, but sadly, we didn't have the success stories that we asked for, so no one ended up getting the smart reports except the ones that are enrolled, and I picked them up. So they had the beautiful buys. Let me give you the exact level from the smart reports. Give me a second. Okay, the gold buys on the 16 minutes, we had the 1854 to 1860 area. Okay, so we'd be looking at this consolidation, and we had the breakout of this consolidation that we caught. All right, so even if you say 1862, just based off of the smart reports, you have your move right there. All right, and again, we're not a buy or sell channel, so you guys have to apply your own Forex brains and make it happen for yourself as well. Okay, but now that those buys have kicked in and we've hit TP, I'd like to see some retracements. Okay, so maybe we can look for short positions on the break of this structure, or BOS. Um, and I think we can take this level out as well. So maybe if we have the momentum, which I doubt we will today, to be honest, but we could most likely hit that for our region as well. Okay, scenario number one and scenario number two is on the break of this supply. We push up, and of course, we go to test out some higher highs. Okay, and that's possible as well, because maybe we want to start dropping for FOMC minutes. Okay, so that's definitely a possibility, but let's wait and watch. Okay, like I said, 5-minute support building in, 5-minute resistance building in right here. Let's see, you guys. I'm going to open up the chat real quick. 100 people. How many new people do we have on here? Make sure you say hi. And yeah, let me get familiar with our new crowd on here today. Okay, give me a second. What's up, you guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, Zero, Dushanth, Salku, Deepak, Wahid, Rohit Sharma. Wahid means one in Arabic. You're number one, bro. Good stuff. Okay, Rohit Sharma, Kyle, Sham, Rahul, Sahil. What's up, you guys? Omkar, Owais, Rahul. Lots of people. Alpha D Jen, my man. Okay. Imran, is this the same Imran that has joined up with us and receives the smart reports? If you are, I hope they've been helpful, brother. First time here. What's up, Millzone, my man? My partner in crime. Well, we're not committing no crime. It's not a good thing to say on the stream. We are business partners. But yes. What's up, Camper? Which indicator do we use? We don't use no indicators. We're price action traders. We only use the RSI and the EMA to add confluence to price action. I've been watching your live stream since a month. Awesome. Let's get it. Let it. 15 pips on gold. Good stuff, you guys. Good stuff. Okay. 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Okay. Let's see how they want to react over here. Listen, if you guys are going to be setting any sort of sell stops, then you want price to breathe. Okay. Give it a little bit of breathing room. Don't let it break from there and then maybe get into any sort of moves, okay? Because they could have a little bit of a liquidity drop, a fake out, and a push back up. So be careful. Don't be greedy on these coming in, okay? Just understand that these markets could be volatile. It could be an absolute complete dud as well. And yeah, okay, let's see how it goes. All right, give me a quick second. I'm going to set up a little bit of a sell order. Trade small today, you guys. You'll have no reason to be trading any big lots. So please trade small. Look at those rejections that are coming in. Okay, this is possible. I'm just letting you guys know that it's very, very possible. Give me a second. Let me just quickly take a look. All right, this is news. Okay, let's have a good one, you guys. The buys are up above here for Nasdaq. Okay, beautiful sells. I got triggered in small position, nothing too big. All right, just testing it out. This could be a liquidity grab as well. So I'm in with literally $1 a pip as we speak. I'm going to watch and see the momentum. Did gold do anything? Gold give a little bit of an impulse. Boom, pushback. All right, impulses across the board, across the board. Let's see how it wants to close. If anyone's in any sort of trades, please be careful, you guys. Look at that. Solid rejections coming in. Again, I'm in with $1 a pip. We use something called a feeler position with the way we trade, which is just a really teeny tiny position that we take on these impulse candles, these first candles to test out the markets to see if the setup even wants to play out. Okay, so that's all that I'm in right now, $1 a pip, and I'm gonna wait for price to close, wait for it to close, wait for it to have that retest and the rejection, and we could catch either that level for a wick fill or the break of this zone for a wick fill. Okay, now this is the reason we're in on a feeler. Keep that in mind, you guys. Gold's starting to give us a little bit of an impulse as well. Let's see if they want to close in that box. What do y'all think is going to happen on the indices and on gold? Do you think we're selling off, or do y'all think we're gonna start to go bullish? What are your thoughts, guys? One-on-ones, I'm talking to y'all. Okay, we have lots of people saying bullish, and we have Neha that says she thinks it'll sell off. Let's see. It's you against the world, Neha. Okay, lots of rejection coming in. Okay, that's a solid rejection. Let's see how they want to start to pick up. Okay. This is what I meant by choppy, you guys. You see the chop that we're experiencing right now in these markets? Just erratic moves, nothing definitive, and we can't expect a definitive move to kick in, okay? Let me check YouTube real quick. What's up, YouTube? How's it going? Are you from India? Yes, I am. I am Indian. I was born and raised in Dubai, but I'm Indian. Desi at heart. I wouldn't be buying this market, you guys. I'm gonna be very honest with y'all. I wouldn't be buying this market at all. Okay, Neha, I'm with you on this. Okay, just saying. This market could absolutely buy 100%, but y'all know me. I'm a pure price action trader. All I do is I break down the language of these candles based off of historic data. Okay, based off of the charts that we have, and my trading style wouldn't let me continue to buy this market unless, and this is really important. Okay, we break that. If we happen to break that 900 region, you guys, I'll start hopping into buys. Till then, I'm going to wait for price to do its thing, and I am going to try and catch the sells if they come in. Okay. Do you teach one-on-one? Yes, I do. All right. We have multiple services that we are currently offering. Okay. And I'll break that down for you. So we have the newest edition that we have are something known as the private sessions, which is basically a classroom styled workshop where we'll have about 3, 5, 7, depending on how many people we have come in, that are going to come, and they are going to be part of these sessions, and they will be we'll be picking up topics, we'll be picking up a lot of stuff, and we'll talk about them. We'll have a beginner level, we'll have an intermediate level, and an advanced level, and we'll be doing anywhere between 10 to 12 sessions per month. Watch for the retest here. Okay, retest level number 2 is going to be here. Okay, so watch out, that's a retest as well. Same story on this, and gold is doing nothing as we speak. Okay, remember, retest level number 2. Right, so you have those sessions which would most certainly be beneficial, not just for the people that are on the private mentorship program with me, but for everyone, because we're going to be picking up new topics every single week and talking about them, and just we're going to be learning together. Okay, so number 2 is still in the US 30 cells. Be careful, you guys. This didn't exactly close in our box. All right, it closed right in demand, which means they also could pick up buyers from here to push back up. Now, this is not to say that the markets are not going to sell off, but it does seem like there are some buyers that are sitting up here. Okay, I'm still in on this trade with $1 a pip, so I'm okay if this goes against me to that region. I'm going to have my stop loss right up there. Okay, how many pips is that going to be? About 51 pips. Okay, so I'm okay being down by $50. It gives me a lot of information and more confirmation that I can now start looking at the other side. All right, so what was I saying? Yeah, the private sessions. Okay, so that's one thing we're offering. The second thing that we're offering is the one-on-one mentorship program, which is basically customized to you, your style of trading. It doesn't matter what your level of trading is, but we have 180 people in the past 1 year that have done the one-on-one mentorship with me, and a lot of those people are now making a shit ton of money in these markets. I've been told I have a very, very good way of breaking down the fundamentals to traders, and yeah, I'm here to do this. If you guys are interested, go ahead and message Cash. Now, to sign up for the private sessions, you guys have to go through the Forex server, and there is a link. Look at that rejection. Come on, let's get it. Sorry, you guys, I won't be able to concentrate, so let me just try and get this move. Give me a quick second. Okay, I'm in on a position right over here. Okay, I'm running by about 3 or 4 pips right now. Nothing too big. Okay, just letting y'all know. 20 bucks a pip. Okay, 20 bucks a pip. All right, and I am running by about 9 pips at this point, 10 pips. There you go. I'm going to set this to break even real quick. Neha, you better be making this dough with me. 338, 20.60. Okay, I'm in a break even position. Alok Devdas, is buying a funded account better or starting with your own capital? Listen, the funded accounts are great and all of that good stuff, but they're extremely uncertain at this point. I wouldn't say choose either or. I'd say trade the funded accounts on the side, but also trade your own money on a retail account. Okay, because trust me when I say this, at the end of the day, your final goal has to be to trade your own money, which leads me to the third service we offer. Okay, so we have now, one second. All right, we technically have a partnership with one of the biggest UAE based forex brokers, and they're one of the biggest brokers in the world as well. And they very kindly um, agreed to help us pivot from scalping to longer term trading. And we have something that we are working on known as the smart reports, which are basically the analysis, but not on the 5 minute time frame where you can scalp, but on the 60-minute time frame where you get moves with TPs and stop losses of anywhere between 200 to 400 pips. Okay, so it's absolutely free to get those. All you have to do is let us know, and you will have to sign up with this broker, and once done, you guys are making money. Okay, all right, is anyone still in on this? Because this is running big freaking time. I'm in from 20 bucks I'm in with 20 bucks a pip from this region, running about 16 to 18 pips now. How much does the one-on-one cost? Just message on the Discord server. Okay, just say hi, and Cash FX, my partner, will take care of that. Okay, and if you need information on the private sessions, it's on the Discord server as well. Come on, let's see that drop, guys. I want that wick fill. Let's go. All I'm looking for is this region. Okay, if I get this region, this is going to be my TP, you guys. Just letting you all know. If we hit that 30 pips in, I've made my money. All right, $600 and I'm happy. The buyers are resting right below 100%. Again, it's a scalp. It's not a swing trade, neither is it a break of structures trade. It's only a scalp. 30 pips is all you need, buddy. We have traders that trade with us for 10 pips. I'm not even kidding. And these people are making tens of thousands of dollars in a month. So it all depends on your risk management. Fuck it. I'm liquidating my position for 25 pips. Boom. 25 pips on $20 a pip. Who caught that with me? I want to see goddamn W's in the chat. Y'all better have liquidated your positions with me, because if you're going to be greedy, I promise the money that you just had sitting on your MetaTrader is going to disappear super soon. Okay, how many of you guys caught that with me? Either or. Let's see W's in the chat. Neha, I told you. It wasn't just you against the world, it was us against the world. All right, I made it very clear that I had a sell stop sitting over there. A lot of people thought these markets were going to buy. But yeah, we still could buy, but these cells, they are a beautiful scalp. Okay, I'm out with a W. Awesome, awesome. W corner, W, W, W. Good stuff, you guys. Good stuff. Oof, look at that. And we hit TP. Almost there. Just a kiss away from TP. We don't predict these markets, buddy. I'm sorry, Zoom user, but that's not what we do. We trade price action. We wait for price to give us confirmation, and we then take some trades. All right, I could have held on for another 5-7 pips, but I'm not complaining. I'm still up 600 for the day, and I am happy. Beautiful, you guys. It doesn't get simpler than this. I can't join Zoom due to maximum participants. That's why I'm here. Adith, you could join Zoom now. We have some space on the Zoom call. Okay, so hop on to Zoom if that's what you'd like to do. Alok Devdas, message us on Discord. Okay, buddy? Message us in Discord. We'll send across the information, and you'd be able to make use of the smart reports as well. Starting to pick up on Goldilocks. You could buy this area as well. You could start to layer your positions into the buys from there, keeping in mind that that's going to be TP1, okay? And then if we break that, you're going to get TP2, all right? So if you want a quick scalp, you're looking at about a 20 pip move, have a 10 pip stop loss, and you should be good. That's if the markets start to go bullish. I'm done trading, you guys. Literally, I'm going to take a small trade for FOMC minutes later tonight, and not looking to do anything too much. All right, $600 in a day. A lot of people earn that much in a month where I'm from. Okay. Okay. Is anyone in any sort of trade right now? Anyone in any trades? If you guys are in any sort of trades, let me know. Not right now, Imran. Okay. My one-on-ones, what about you guys? W on gold, feel a position, lovely, camper, nothing. Okay. What about gold, bro? Like I said, wait for it to happen. Okay. Wait for it to happen. In a gold buy, good, Navish. Looks good. I feel like we can go to test that region out. Okay. Forex, Cash does Forex for you guys on London. I do it on request sometimes, but I just don't feel like it today. Okay, so that retest is still on. This demand now swiftly changes to supply. So let's see if they want to hold at that supply, or if they're going to break past and fill this zone. Okay, and listen, guys, we've been doing this for a very long time. I'm not even kidding. We've literally dedicated the past 1 year of our lives to building Forex trading, to building this business. Okay, so we've been doing free streams for you guys, and despite the lurkers, despite the people that take us for granted, we're still here doing these streams, producing them for y'all for free. It's a lot harder than it looks. We're literally on these charts 12 hours a day, 14 hours a day, trying to figure out the best levels for you guys and for ourselves. The only thing that we ask from you guys in return are some success stories. It pisses me off that you guys don't post them. I feel when we gate our server, when we're a paid server, that's when we'll see some more respect from you guys. Because trust me, man, it's not going to take us too much to shut this whole thing down and just move on with our lives. We're trying to build a community over here. Like I keep saying, we're trying to build our army of millionaires over here. And the least y'all can do is share that vision with us. Okay? Because believe it or not, if I don't do these streams, it's not going to affect me. I'm still going to trade, I'm still going to make my money, and I'm still going to learn and get better every single day. Okay? This is for you guys. So please go ahead, make sure to post up, and yo, Asim Khan, give me a cigarette too, bro. It's all good, man. It's all good. Okay, but like I was saying, um, yeah, just go ahead and make sure you guys post up on success stories. Sorry, Asim Khan distracted me for a second, but it's all good. We're here. We're here. Building the army of millionaires. Absolutely, Alpha DJ. Okay, so we still haven't closed up above in any way at all. Let's see. They're trying. They're trying to drop. I'm not gonna wait for too much longer. I'm just gonna wait for the Ali swap, and I'm gonna be out. Okay. So we have about another 12, 13 minutes. If there are any questions from anyone that's new on here, or just any questions in general, trading related, please keep our personal lives out of it. But trading related, if there are any sort of questions, now's the time, you guys. I'm here to answer y'all. A lot of y'all send me DMs, and I apologize. I don't reply to them, but I don't. I'm really not a texter. You guys have me right here. Any sort of questions that y'all have, I would be more than willing and happy to answer them. Can you explain your strategy? We don't use any strategy in Run. We are pure price action traders. Okay. What do I mean by price action? Um, I mean deciphering or breaking down the language of these candles. Okay, so all we do is we mark up our key levels from the higher time frame, and we work our way down to the 5 minute time frame, and then we just trade these markets zone to zone. That's literally all we do. Nothing more, nothing less. Our style of trading is the simplest, but it's also the hardest skill to acquire. It takes years of practice to build your eye and train your brain to spot these levels with accuracy. Okay, so there's no strategy, it's only and only um, price action, zone to zone. Okay. Best indicator, Raj, do not run after indicators, brother. That's what the retail traders do. Okay. Look at the candles, read price action, and then use the indicator to give you confluence. All right. Now, where the retail traders fail time and again is they look at indicators to indicate something and then they take a buy or a sell, which is why they keep falling into the trap that's laid out for them again and again and again and again. See my charts. I literally have, if I'm streaming for 30 minutes now, I must have had the indicators up for maybe 20 or 30 seconds off of those 30 minutes, because the only thing that the indicators do to me is they influence my decision, which I don't like. Price action is king. I look at these candles. When I want added confluence, I look at the indicator. If it aligns up with price action, I use it. If not, I'm not in a trade. Okay? Short summary on how to identify useful key levels. Just the peaks, bro. The highs and the lows. The break of structure levels. Where your where give me a second. The break of structure levels, okay? So where your necklines are formed, your zones of distribution, your zones of accumulations, your fair value gaps, multiple places that you could be looking for, okay? But again, these are things that we cover in depth on the one-on-one sessions, which are customized, and we most certainly will also touch upon it in terms of a workshop with the private sessions, okay? How to identify different session? I have no idea what you mean by that, Raj. Now they're starting to push back up, okay? While marking highs and lows, do you use wicks or only body of the candle? It's different, brother. It's that's hard to say. There's no textbook way of doing it. Um, Sometimes you have to take the wick, other times you have to take the body. It really depends on a lot of factors, and there's no textbook way of saying that, man. Gold's doing something, Harish? Yeah, not much. This was a nice little buy, like I told y'all. Trying to get that. If anyone got in over here, I know somebody was in on gold. You should have caught a 20 pip trade. Um, but yeah, again, the safer buys are going to be up there. All right. Thanks for answering. You're welcome, Raj. Do we have any other questions, you guys? Because I've had a good session. I'm up by 600 on my retail account today. I'm not going to say what that is in terms of percent, because yeah, we're not doing that. But yeah, I'm pretty much done. Is there anyone with any questions that you'll need answers to? All right, Zoom, stay back. I am going to end YouTube and be back. All right, so YouTube, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys for coming. I appreciate you guys for joining us time and again. Again, go ahead into the description, click on the link, join our Discord server. It's absolutely free. And if you guys are interested in joining either the private mentorship program, the one-on-one mentorship program, or getting in on the smart reports, hit us up on Discord and we'll give you guys all the information you'll need. Thank you, YouTube. I'm Mark, aka Cram. My partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, YouTube. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.